In this course, we will discuss about descriptive statistics. At the end of this course, you will have the fundamental understanding of descriptive statistics, various methods involved, how to collect, organize, summarize, and present the data, various measures, such as measures of frequency, measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, measures of position with their respective examples, and applications. So what is descriptive statistics? Descriptive statistics is a branch of statistics which applies the statistical analysis methods on the collected data. So the process involves collecting, organizing, summarizing, and presenting the data. The data can be collected from various sources, such as by conducting observation, or by conducting interviews, or by sending out questionnaires, or from the databases. So databases could be from various sectors, such as from internet, from medical sector, from finance and insurance, from telecommunication and mobile, or from retail sector, or from public sector. So the data can be represented in the form of a table, a graph, or a chart. The analysis method of descriptive statistics can be applied on a sample data and on population data as well. So population data is a data that's present in a very large amount, and sample data is the data derived from population data in such a way that it represents the population data very well. The nature of the data can be discrete or can be continuous. Discrete data is the data is where the data points are at a distance from each other, and in continuous data, the data points are very, very close to each other. We will look about discrete and continuous data in upcoming examples. There are a few methods of descriptive statistics. So the first measure is the measures of frequency, the measures of central tendency, the measures of dispersion, and the measures of position. We will look into each of these measures in upcoming slides.